A routine traffic stop for an unregistered plate. No violence. No chase. 12 minutes from first contact to federal arrest. What legal principles governed every decision in between? And what happens when each answer to an officer's question creates a new legal problem for the person giving it?
Okay.
So whose truck is this?
Joe Michaels. I'm an employee.
Okay. So this tag does not come back to this vehicle. This tag's not assigned to any vehicle.
Well, I don't know that. if you look, I'm a construction guy, so I do. Oh, hands up.
Okay,
Sorry
but
about
as the driver of the vehicle, you're responsible for it. You have to make sure that it's legal.
I don't know all
Which is why
that.
I'm going to ask you for your insurance, your registration
She did
as
it all.
well.
She did
And
it.
she's okay. Great.
I work right, not trying to turn fast toward you. Right here at Lady Lakes, we're putting the pot bellies on.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that? What kind of restaurant is that?
It's Sandwich Shop. I've been working there 5 months putting that place on.
It's kind of like it's kind of like Subway. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
It's open Saturday or
And we're open
Saturday and
Saturday.
Wednesday.
No, get my updated one.
I don't have your updated one.
Sure.
That's all
Give
I
me 1
have.
second, please.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the information on truck is. I don't know that stuff, you know.
Well, good thing you got her with you, huh?
Well, I've been there, like I said, 5 months and
No. Okay, hold on. It's in here. I just see it.
Is that your license?
Outdated ones. But she's up fine quick. Give me a second. I got
Okay. Do you have a Florida license?
No.
No. Where do you live?
No.
Okay, so no, you don't. Tell us what's up there.
I ain't getting shot looking for stuff, though.
I'm just saying.
Hang on. It's all here.
That's much better, man.
My eyes ain't good. Just give it a second.
This is from work. This is a delivery I got.
No, but look, I'm on.
All right. So you don't have registration, you don't have insurance, and all you have is an out-of-date driver's license?
I got to know. My driver's license up to date.
Okay.
This is my
But
old
that's
truck.
the one that you have
Yeah.
is an out-of-date.
Yeah,
I mean, we could call the old owner of the truck.
And the tag that's attached to this truck does not belong on this truck. And I'm going to go check the sticker as soon as I get another officer here because it doesn't look right to me. It looks odd. I'm just going to say that. So.
I'm just driving. I don't know.
Okay.
This is
Can I get in trouble for that?
Absolutely.
I thought what kind of trouble?
As you're the driver of the vehicle, you're responsible for it. It should be in legal status as you're driving it down the road. So if the tag attached isn't assigned and you can't provide me a tag for it, it's going to get towed.
Oh, come on.
I can't let you drive a vehicle on the road. You can't provide me insurance. You have no valid registration. The tag that's attached to it is not assigned to this vehicle. It's a non-licensed. It's not a licensed vehicle. You can't drive it on the road.
Maybe someone swapped tags. I don't know. But you can check it. It should be legal. But nothing else. Can I park it right over work right here? My work's right there.
We'll talk about that.
Oh, here.
Okay.
Well,
all right.
What do you got in your wallet? Will you check that for me?
What do I got in my wallet?
No, you have your ID in your wallet. Your valid ID?
yeah, no, that's the only one he has.
Okay. All right.
Just look it up.
Okay, hang tight for me. I'll be right back. Oh, yeah, I didn't want to look at that. Yeah, that's what I thought. That sticker. That's what I thought. That tag's not a tag. Lima 107-232-003. Walter Long. Oh, lovely. No, different guy. Yeah. Huh, no VIN. Go figure. Open your door.
Right here, this explains why.
Yeah, it was a wrecked truck. Whoever the operates
it was a total truck, but then they
those are the other places where than that. I know that.
All right.
I'm not
so we're
going to
have to find it on the vehicle. I need a VIN.
Right there.
Okay.
Any weapons or anything like that, you'll worry about? There could be, yes. I don't know. There could be, because I always got a gun, but I don't know if I brought it. Go ahead, step out of the vehicle. That's why I want to touch nothing. I'm trying to tell you why. I didn't know.
Sorry, I asked you that earlier if you had any weapons in the vehicle. You told me no. And now you said I could have a gun. I don't know. Okay, ma'am, you get back in. Okay. You get back in. We're going to deal with you one at a time.
Okay, you're fine. You're fine.
You want both of them back there?
You're fine.
All right. Walk back there.
Doesn't that verify? Just say we get bumper and box feet.
I got.
You can sit on the bumper and box feet. Okay, you're fine.
With the VIN now in hand, Sergeant Michelle had everything she needed to properly identify the suspect. The officers now realized they were about to reel in a big catch.
There's stuff in there with names. It has the same name that he provided here.
Can you step over there, Mom? Step up on my doors.
Yes. Unknown caller.
Hello? So, this guy's on the FBI most wanted list, and this is him. But he's sort of changed his fucking description.
Well, it's odd, but the tattoo on his leg, he said was burnt. Mr. Long, one more thing for me. Can you turn around and lift your shirt? Show this officer your back, please. All the way.
There you go. That's good. No. Oh, I'm sorry. What do you want to do? I'm out. Slide this on. There you go.
Hey man, put your arms behind your back.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
All right. All right.
Stop.
I'm not pulling nowhere.
Hey, back the fuck up.
Stay back.
Back
Stay
up.
back.
Cuss at me!
Stay back. Stay back.
I have had back surgery!
Whoa.
I have had back surgery!
Good for you.
Hey, shut up.
Stop yelling. Unless you want to go to jail too.
Shut up.
I'm sure Missouri would love you for your warrant.
Shut up. Shut up.
Exactly.
Shut up. Come on.
You gonna calm down, or do you want handcuffs?
She's fine.
You're calm?
Fine.
Good.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you. In a minute.
Alyssa, do you have someone you can call to pick you up?
The initial stop is governed by Delaware versus Prouse, decided in 1979. Traffic stop requires reasonable articulable suspicion of a violation. A license plate not assigned to any registered vehicle satisfies this standard completely. Florida Statute Section 300 and 261 classifies operation with an unassigned plate as a criminal offense, not a civil infraction. The stop was constitutionally sound from the first second. Rodriguez versus United States, 2015, held that a stop may not extend beyond the time required to address the original violation without new grounds. Here, subject supplied those grounds continuously. No insurance. Under Florida Statute Section 322.3, no registration. Under Section 322, identification that did not match the person presenting it. Each false disclosure independently justified continued detention. The subject extended this stop himself. The license presented belonged to Walter Long, expired by 2 years, issued to a person a decade younger. Florida Statute Section 817. 568 classifies criminal use of another person's identification as a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years. Hyabel versus the 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004, established that an officer may lawfully require accurate identification during an investigatory stop. The authority to demand truthful identification was unambiguous. The outset of the stop, the driver stated he did not think the vehicle contained weapons. Minutes later, while directing the officer into the cab, he disclosed a possible firearm. Under Berkmer versus McCarty, 1984, no Miranda warning was required at this stage, but the prior inconsistent statement was captured on bodycam. Under established evidentiary rules, that statement became admissible. The contradiction permanently altered the legal character of the encounter. With documentary identification proven false, the officer turned to physical descriptors, including a multivitamin. A request to display visible skin for comparison against a law enforcement record is not a search under the Fourth Amendment. No warrant is required. The tattoo matched the FBI descriptor. Probable cause was established, and the arrest that followed was legally complete. 3 principles emerge from this encounter. Reasonable articulable suspicion is a low threshold. A single registration irregularity is enough to initiate a lawful stop. A subject who provides false information does not limit the scope of detention. Under Terry versus Ohio, 1,960 to 8. Each false statement independently extends lawful contact. And when documentary identification fails, physical identifiers remain legally accessible without a warrant. But this encounter raises questions that go beyond the stop itself. What if the instinct about that registration sticker had been dismissed? What if the tattoo that remained had been the one removed and not the other? What does the constitutional framework governing 12 minutes of a routine stop reveal about the balance between individual rights and law enforcement authority at the point of first contact? Those questions do not resolve easily. That is precisely why they are worth asking.